Good morning, VI planners. I just wanted to hop in this morning and chat with you for a hot minute about how to use the shopping and gifts insert, especially the budget page, to help get you guys set up on a holiday budget. I have written a blog article about how to build a holiday budget in 3 steps, and today this video is going to go over step 3. You can read more tomorrow. I will post the actual blog post and you can go in and reevaluate steps 1 and 2. So I am in the shopping and gifts insert for the holidays. Okay, it is literally the first page once you get inside of your insert. Okay, I have broken down into categories what you can do to help set a holiday budget. Again, if you're going back and reading steps 1 and 2, these categories will make sense, but I kind of want to give you an idea of how we're going to go about executing. So I've gone ahead and broken up my list into different categories: gifts, wrapping supplies, holiday meals if you are serving a holiday meal, greeting cards or postage if you send out happy mail during the holidays, holiday travel if you're going anywhere, memory making activities such as going out for hot chocolate with your family or having photos taken, those kinds of things, and then giving back any donations that you want to make during the season. You're going to go through and create a budget, and to do that, we are going to take a page out of Dave Ramsey's book and use our cash and coupon pocket. Okay, I've gone ahead and added 1 tab to this. If you have not learned how to add tabs to the cash and coupon pocket, you can check out my YouTube channel. I have a quick tip on how to be able to add tabs to the actual cash and coupon pocket. But now we're going to take that page out of Dave Ramsey's book on cash envelopes, and we are going to write our holiday categories on each one of these tabs. Now there's 6 pockets here, and of course I had 7 different categories, but you can choose to label these however you want. Then what you're going to do is, once you've established your budget, you're going to add your cash amount for that category into the pockets, and then once it is gone, then friends, you are at the end of your budget. So I just wanted to hop in again today and give you a brief overview of how you can use the holiday budget planning part of the shopping and gifts insert. And if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, please drop them below, and I would love to chat with you about what you thought about this setup for getting a hold of your holiday budget. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Tuesday, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.